Hello. 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 If you can hear me, I can't hear you. Yeah, so there's something wrong with your microphone because I can't hear you and I can't see your picture at all.
Hello,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm not too bad, thank you.
So you have got a problem with your pictures, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine for me. As long as I can work. Okay,
Yeah.
right. Okay, so let me share you this. Okay, that's what you want here. Can you see this? Can you see on the board? It disappeared again.
Hello.
Mm-hmm. There's a problem with your internet. Is breaking and then you come back, it disappears and come back.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
All right. So this is what you want us to look at, yeah?
I can't see. Is it on? Where's the board?
You can see on the board. I've actually shared with you on the board.
Let me check.
Should be able to see the board.
Yeah, I can see it.
You can see it, okay?
Yeah.
All right. So this is what you wanted us to look at, correct?
Yes, please. Yeah.
Okay. Right. Okay, so we need to start from GCSE and then we go into A levels, but it's not different at all. Once you master this bit,
Yeah.
then it's easier for you to move on to A levels. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now remember that the completion of square is one of the methods of solving quadratic equations. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. So this first paper was actually taken from GCSE. Okay, that's where it's coming from, and
Okay.
then from there we're going to look at the A levels. You will see that obviously they are not a big difference at all. Right. Okay. So what you need to do, okay, you need to find half of the coefficient of x. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. So you can see here. What they want you to do is to find the A and find B. Okay,
Yeah.
in a sense, they say to complete the square, so it should be in this form. Okay,
Yeah.
right. So therefore, half of coefficient of x is going to be 4.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is going to be x plus 4, positive 4, and then this is squared. Okay,
Yeah.
now you have added the 4 squared. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Okay, so we need to take away this. So
Minus
therefore,
16.
yeah, so we need to have minus 4 squared minus 7.
Yeah.
7 is what it was already there. So
Yeah.
if we do that, then we're going to have x plus 4 brackets squared. Then you need to show that this is minus 16 minus 7. Now, remember, maths is step by step. If you lose this, you miss steps, you lose the marks. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is going to be x plus 4 brackets squared. Then 16 plus 7, because they are both negative, will be minus 23, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, 23. Okay, so then you have written this into that form. So then you can see that A is going to be 4 and B is going to be minus 23.
Okay.
Do you follow?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay, so then the next it says, okay, solve. Okay, so solve this. You can see this is exactly the same as that.
Yeah.
So we just need to take this one. So what we have is x plus 4 squared minus 23 equals 0. Okay?
Yeah.
So therefore, we need to add the 23 to both sides. So if we do that, we're going to have x plus 4 squared equals 23.
Yeah.
And then we need to take a square root. Now you need to show that. Okay? We need to show that you have taken a square root of that. So if we square root this, we're going to have x plus 4. If we square root that, we're going to have plus minus square root of 23. Okay?
Yep.
And then we need to subtract 4 from both sides to find x. So x is going to do plus minus square root of 23 minus 4. So then you work out this, you should be able to find the values that they have asked you to find.
Okay.
Do you follow?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do number 2. Then you do the others on your own. Okay, so let's start with this one. So remember, we need to
What's the last bit for B say?
Sorry?
That x equals what?
You need to work this out because the space is smaller. So you need to work this out. So your x is equal to plus minus, okay, square root of 23 and minus 4.
Okay.
So which means the answers are going to be plus square root of 23 minus 4 and then minus square root of 23 minus 4.
Yeah.
So if you work this out, you should be able to find the answer.
Okay. Yeah. Got it.
We got it? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So let's do this one. Okay. So again, we need that's half of the coefficient of x. So this is going to be x plus 5. And then we square it. Now we have added the 5 squared. So therefore, we need to subtract that. Therefore, it's going to be minus 5 squared and minus 3, which was already there. Okay. So this is going to give us x plus 5 brackets squared minus 25 minus 3, which gives us x plus 5 brackets squared minus 28.
Yeah.
Okay, so A is 5. Minus 5. B is minus 28. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And then we solve this. So again, solving, you can see this function is exactly that function. So all we need is the same as this one.
Yeah.
So we need is x plus 5 brackets squared minus 28 equals 0. And then we add 28 to both sides. Okay. So therefore, it's going to be x plus 5 squared equals 28. And then we take a square root of both sides.
Yeah.
Okay. So therefore, it's going to be x plus 5 equals plus minus square root of 28. And then the next x is going to be equal to plus minus square root of 25 minus 5. Right, so again, like this one, once you get this, the first answer is going to be plus square root of 25, which is 5. And then take away 5, which is going to be 0. And the next one is going to be minus 5, which means it's going to be minus 10. So the answer there is 0 and minus 10.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so you start with number 3. Okay.
Okay. And should I just go to the last one?
Yeah, you do both here, and then once you have finished, you tell me if we were finished, and then we go over it, and then
Okay.
we'll go to the next one. Then that's
Okay.
it. Yeah.
Yeah.
If you get stuck, then you say I'm stuck here.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm done.
What did you get for 3A?
I got brackets x plus 1 squared plus 6. And then for B, there's no real solutions because you can't root for the root will be
-6.
-6. Yeah.
Okay. That's the only one you have done, yeah? They've got to 4 then.
Oh, have I done 4?
Have you done 4? Not yet, yeah?
No, I haven't done 4. No.
Yeah, go to 4 then.
Should I just do all of them then?
Yeah, do all of them. They are only 2 remaining, yeah. Just do them.
Oh yeah, I'm done.
Okay, so A, what did you get for A?
X minus 4 in the bracket squared minus 14.
Mm-hmm.
And
Okay.
then B got X equals 7.74 and
Okay.
X equals 0.26.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
And
BS5.
then for 5, I
Mm-hmm.
got Q is 10 and
Mm-hmm.
P is 10.
Minus 10.
Yeah, minus 10. Sorry, yeah, minus 10.
Yeah. Okay, that's right. Okay. Okay. So this is where now we start for A levels. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. So let's look at the example they have given us. Okay. So the first, there's a key points. Complete the square lets you write a quadratic equation in the form of P brackets X plus Q bracket squared plus R. So what they are saying, in case your coefficient of X, okay, may have, not a coefficient of X, but a coefficient of X squared might have a number in front of it. So we need to factor that out. Okay, that's what it's trying to say. Okay, so let's take this one. So you can see here, you have got X on both sides. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to divide half of that 6. So it's going to be 6 divided by 2,
Yep.
correct?
Yep.
Yeah, and then brackets squared, and then we have added the 6 over 2 squared. So therefore, we need to subtract that 6 over 2 squared.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. If we do that, you simplify. You should get x plus 3, because 6 divided by 2 is going to be 3. And that squared. And if you take 6 over 2, it's going to be 3. 3 squared is going to be 9. So it's going
Yep.
to be minus 9. Yeah.
Yep.
You follow? Yeah.
Yep. Of course.
Let's get next one. So the next one is 2x minus 7x. So we need to take 2 out first. So we need to
Yep.
divide by 2, which in a sense, we are factoring out 2. Okay?
Yep.
So if we factor out 2, then 2 into x squared is going to be actually x squared. And then 7x divided by 2 is going to be 7 over 2x squared. Then we need the half of the coefficient of x, which is a half of 7 over 2, which is going to give us 7 over 4.
Yep.
Okay. Now, what you need to be careful are the brackets, not necessarily that the problem is difficult, but putting it in brackets will help you. Okay, so then we're taking half of this, which is 7 over 4. So you have x minus 7 over 4 squared. So we have added minus 7 over 4 squared. So therefore, we need to subtract that. Do this. Okay. If we simplify that, we're going to have 2x minus 7 over 4 bracket squared minus 7 times 7 is 49. 4 times 4 is 16. So where is 8 coming from?
Yep.
It's because you are going to divide it by 2. So the 16 here would have been divided by 2 to get 8.
Yeah.
Do you follow?
Yeah.
Okay. Right. Okay. So let's move on. Okay, so let's try to do this. You have got answers at the bottom, but try to do each one first.
All right. So should I just do all of them and then say the thing at the end?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm done.
Mm-hmm.
So, 1a, I got x plus 4 squared minus 16.
Mm-hmm.
B, x minus 5 squared minus 25.
Mm-hmm.
C, x minus a half squared minus a quarter.
Mm-hmm.
D, 3 and then brackets x minus 5 over 2 squared minus 75 over 4.
Mm-hmm.
And then E, I got minus 2 brackets x minus 3 squared plus 18.
Mm-hmm. So the second part, they want you to solve those.
Solve by completing the square.
Effectively, is what you have done already at the top. So here you need to solve them and to find the values of x.
Oh, okay, yeah. Okay, cool.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay, to get the first
So,
one.
so for A, I got x equals 0 and x equals -8. For B, I got x equals 10 and x equals 0. For C, I got x equals 1 and x equals 0. For D, I got x equals 0 and x equals 5. And for E, I got x equals 9 and x equals 3.
X equals 9. Is that correct? Should have.
Yeah, and x equals 3.
What did you get? You
Sorry,
got
-3, -3, -3.
if you okay. Let's look at it. Okay, so what you need to do first. So this is going to be equal to 0 because otherwise you can't solve it. So which means you're going to have -2x minus 3 squared equals -c.
Yeah.
Okay, so then you divide by -2 and divide by -2. So therefore we have x minus 3 squared equals 9. And then you take a square root of this side. So -3 squared equals square root of 9, which is plus minus. So from there, what you have x minus 3 equals plus minus 3. So the first is going to be x equals 3 plus 3. The next one is going to be x equals -3 plus 3. So that gives you 6, and this gives you 0.
Okay.
Do you follow? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Do you have any question at all?
I'm just looking. I'm just trying to look at what I did. One sec. I see where I went wrong. Sorry, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, my fault. It's just I did it a bit differently from. Instead of dividing by 2, I accidentally times by -2. So that's why I got it wrong.
No, you shouldn't multiply, because if you multiply, you're going to
Yeah,
have.
exactly. That's why I did wrong. I thought I said I divided it. That's why I did. I accidentally did it this time.
Okay.
Yeah, that was my fault. Sorry.
Okay, that's fine. All right. So I will send you these papers we have used for your own practice. So keep them when you practice. Okay. Yeah. Otherwise, I will see you tomorrow if you don't have any question. Okay.
Isn't it on the Wednesday, right? Isn't it in 2 days' time, not tomorrow?
Is it?
Yeah, I think it's the 1st.
Oh, you said on the 1st.
Yeah.
Yes. It's Wednesday. Yeah. All right. Okay. So you take care. Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.